Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna show you how to make a paper frame with square shape. This is too easy to make, and by using it you can make so many beautiful things, which I will show you after end of this tutorial. So let's get started. Things we need: a square shape paper. I am taking 8.5 inches into 8.5 inches paper. You can take yours measurement. I am marking at 2 inches, 6.5 inches and 8.5 inches, which means our outside length is 2 inches and inside I am taking 4.5. You can take your point for bigger frame. I am just taking the length because of you guys to show you. Now do like this. Do this whole process which I am showing you. My frame is ready. This is beautiful, right? Looking so real. Paper frame is done. Now I am showing you the things I make with this paper frame. Firstly, look at this. I made it. This is beautiful. This is basically a paper frame scrapbook. This look beautiful. You can decor with your own ideas. It's really beautiful. Next, I make shades for photo frame, which I make with some square and rectangular frames and add some quotes and word and photos. So easy to make at home. Please guys, try this at home and obviously comment down below. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share and press the bell button for the more tutorial video like this. Thank you guys.